Okay, the first thing to do, remove the caster from the socket, find where the two fittings meet, and with a hacksaw, you want to cut this part right off. Okay, the next thing is you want to knock the inner tube out. Pretty easy, just give it a whack. After that, you want to take a couple of cuts inside. So that you can remove the pieces. Cutting through the piece of pipe in there, trying not to go into the fitting. And we'll knock a piece out. Okay, so now you want to knock out a piece like that, and then go around, knock out another piece. Till you get them all out. Then you just tip the chair up, bring out the piece of pipe, and you're ready to put the new socket in. Okay, the new caster socket you get will look like this, and to install it, you want to glue the inside of the fitting and the outside of the socket. Line it up, tap it in.